to add money in AstroPay wallet. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to add money in your AstroPay wallet. So for that, just open your AstroPay on your website, or you can also download the mobile application in your smartphone, and after that just log into your account. And you can also go ahead and sign up if you don't have an account already. And once you are there, so when you will scroll down on the website, you will see in the FAQ section that how you will be able to add money in your saving account, basically in your AstroPay account. So it says that to deposit fund in your saving account, you need to follow these steps. So just navigate to the grow section in the AstroPay app on the web. Look for either the deposit or start saving button and tap on it. Enter the desired amount you wish to add, and the funds will be transferred from your balance to your saving account. And this way you will be able to add money in your AstroPay wallet. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos. And I'll see you the next time.